love Hakka。
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Conversational Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph 林。不知道 ，I don't know， 怎么说啊？唔知 ，All right, that is the phrase we're teaching you this whole month. 不知道唔知，这个我最近越来越迷在网络上买东西，可是有的时候就很忐忑不安，到底什么时候来 ？Yeah, let's put you in a scenario where you're waiting for something to arrive at home and you don't know when it's going to come, and you can actually go online and actually check on it, right? 好，我们来听一下这个对话。
我主人嘅係唔知幾時要寄來。
唔做得送命茶。
係哦，驗時來查。
驗時來查就是馬
上來查。
既然在網絡上訂購東西的話，就在網絡上也可以查得到，
對啊，隨時就查得到。
That's right, you can actually check online to see when it's going to arrive. So let's break down the sentences right here. Okay, 第一句是說他訂了什麼東西啊？
鞋子。
哦，是鞋子。
我主人嘅鞋。
我主人嘅鞋。
唔知幾時會寄來。
唔知幾時會寄來。
不知道什麼時候會寄來。
哦，哎，等一下，海是鞋哦。
對啊，海哦，不是大海哦，是鞋子哦。
I picked out a word there, 海. That actually sounds like ocean in Mandarin, but it actually means a pair of shoes or shoes, right? 就是鞋。什麼時候會寄來？寄就是寄。Okay, that's to mail or to deliver. 那當然。對方就說可以上網查，我有點忘了哈。You can actually go online and check。
做得送命茶。
做得送命茶。哦，查當然就是查。送命是上網的意思嗎？
上網，送命。
We're gonna use this term a lot, right? 上網 that means to go online. 送命，命就是那個網就對了。命 is the internet, or it's actually a net, all right? Which of course nowadays refers to the internet. 那就對啊，馬上來查。
係哦，驗時來查。
係哦，驗時來查。驗時就是
馬上來查。
Immediately, let's check. 查 that means to check. All right, very, very useful. I'm sure a lot of people do that nowadays. Let's review some of the phrases, such as, in this case, ordering shoes, 鞋子 hi, and then to go online, 上網送命 and then immediately, 馬上驗時 And don't forget, this whole month we're teaching you don't know, 不知道
唔知
All right, and let's take a listen to the conversation again.
我主人嘅係唔知幾時要寄來。
唔做得送命茶。
係哦，驗時來查。
And that is today's Conversational Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.